What up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you are so welcome. In today's video I am gonna be showing you some natural way to alright, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, or if you want to buy some natural beauty ingredients, I have tons of them on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also visit my vlog channel to see some daily lifestyle from me, pranks, review, and all what of you. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. I am gonna be showing you 10 ways to keep your veg tight, clean, and very smelling good. It is good that we go out of our way to do some natural things to give ourselves this confidence that of course you're clean over there and you're tight over there. Alright, so number one tips to do that naturally is to do the Kegel exercise. Now Kegel exercise goes like this. Assuming you're peeing and suddenly you just hold back the pee, you just do like this. You know what I mean? Down there, that's what I mean. Alright, so you do that, like you can do that 10 times every day, and this would help contrast the veg wall and your veg is just going to get tightened. And the next one is gooseberry. How you're gonna do that is that you're gonna boil the gooseberry and you're gonna boil it for like 5 minutes. Alright, just the gooseberry. Then as you boil, you notice that the color of the gooseberry is going to change to like brownish in color, and the water of that stuff also is going to be brownish in color. And now you're going to transfer this boiled gooseberry and the juice into a bucket, and then you would sit over it, not in it. Alright, as the heat of the gooseberry comes up, it just goes into your veg and then it will help in tightening it up. I hope you do understand my explanation. Yeah. And the third one is aloe vera. We all know aloe vera. Aloe vera has so many numerous benefits, from the hair to the nails to the face to wrinkles to the skin to taking it orally, and there are so many benefits of aloe vera. You're gonna peel the aloe vera leaf off, and then you're gonna either you scrape the aloe vera gel or you cut it and blend it. Now as you blend, you will notice that the sliminess is just gonna cut. Alright, so it's just gonna be like a little gel. So you just take a little of that gel and then you just apply it on your veg. Don't dip it inside. Alright, it's just going to help in killing those bad bacteria, because in our vagina we have good bacteria and bad bacteria. Alright, the good bacteria are the one who is just going to stay in, and the bad bacteria is just going to come down with the vagina discharge. Alright, because the vagina cleans itself like every day. Alright, so as it comes down, the bad bacteria is just gonna come down too with the help of this natural treatment. And the third remedy is Curcuma comosa. Now Curcuma comosa is very good. I guess you're gonna like order this online because it's gonna be very difficult to get that in the local market. Alright, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna boil this stuff up, and you're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes because it's kind of very difficult to get softened. So as you boil it, you're gonna put a little bit of salt into it. Then you're gonna turn the water into a little bowl, and you're gonna sit over it. Let the heat of the water get into you, and when it does that, honestly you are gonna be tight like a virgin again. This is really great. All right, and this is not going to give you any tear whatsoever or any stuff. It's really good. All right, and the next one is Alum. Alright, I have known Alum ever since, and I personally have used Alum, but sometimes the reason why I don't use it is because it gets, to tighten up the vagina area too much that, when you want to, have the stuff again, you're gonna bleed, because it's gonna be like, you're gonna be like a virgin again. Now, preparation, you have to drop your alum in a large quantity of water, like in a little bucket. All right, and then you leave it overnight. Now when it's the next morning, the alum will be dissolved, and then you can use the alum water to wash your vagina, and that will help like tighten your vagina like crazy. All right, and don't dip it inside, just wash from the outside. It's gonna do the job. All right, and the next one is betel leaf. All right, so how you're gonna do that is the same procedure like others. You're gonna boil this betel leaf, all right, and then the water of the betel leaf is just gonna be pinkish in color, and then you're gonna sit over it. All right, the flame and the heat, just the heat of the betel leaf is just gonna go into your body, and it's just gonna contrast the vagina wall, and that is just going to be perfect. It's going to help to tighten you up like really crazy. Okay, the next one is what has been going on like really popular right now, is to wash your private area with just water and not with soap. Now what they meant to say, I think, was not with antiseptic soap or antibacterial soap. It's just a toilet soap, like with a mild toilet soap, or with just water and not soap. But how is it gonna, how is that area gonna be clean? What if you're menstruating? So that's why I would say wash with just mild soap. All right, the next one is don't spray perfume. Now when I was growing up, I used to have a couple of friends who would like spray perfume all over their body, and also spray perfume in that part. All right, now perfume contains alcohol, and just like I said in my previous video, alcohol can help in whitening up your vagina area. All right, so you do not need to spray perfume in that area. Let the normal vagina smell be there, because most guys love that smell so much, because it doesn't smell bad, but it has its own unique kind of smell that is so fantastic. So you do not need perfume in that area. And the last one is gonna be, you have to change your panties twice in a day. I know most of you guys, girls, would know this. Like, yeah, they say reminder helps to keep the light going up. All right, so when menstruating or when not menstruating, it is advisable to change your panties twice in a day. All right, when in the morning and also in the evening. And the last is, you can wash your vaginal area with apple cider vinegar and salt. All right, this one you just use it to wash around that part. It's gonna help to kill those bad bacteria, and the good bacteria are gonna be there dancing and jubilating. All right guys, so having said all of these things, you can only use one at a time. Okay, you can't use all of them, but to give you the knowledge, I mean, no knowledge is waste, right? Alright, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you want to buy some beauty ingredients, you can do that on my website. And also if you want to ask me some personal curious or beauty questions, you can also do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It's a spin down there. And also visit my vlog channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.